Hey there, fabulous folks. Welcome back to the Health Professor 101. Today, we're tackling a topic that's been around longer than my last relationship, belly fat. Ready to laugh, learn, and shed some inches? Let's roll. First up, belly fat. It's like that uninvited guest that crashes your party and won't leave. There are two types, subcutaneous fat, which is like the fluffy marshmallow on top, and visceral fat, the sneaky ninja that hides around your organs. Spoiler alert, we want to kick both of them out. All right, let's get our forks ready. Here's your step-by-step guide to a belly fat-busting diet. Say goodbye to sugary drinks and snacks. Unless you want your belly to have a sugar high and a low at the same time. Opt for water. Or if you're feeling fancy, sparkling water. Just don't call it soda, that's a lie. Include lean meats, fish, eggs, or beans in your meals. Protein is like that friend who always pays you back, keeps you full and happy. Load up on fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Fiber helps keep things regular, you know what I mean. It's like a broom for your digestive system. Healthy fats like avocados and nuts are here to stay, folks. They keep you satisfied. Just don't go nuts, pun intended, and eat a whole jar of peanut butter. Balance is key. Now let's get moving. Here's how to sweat your way to that flat tummy. Do activities you love. Dance, run, kickbox, whatever makes you feel like a rock star. Aim for at least 150 minutes a week. Just don't dance like no one's watching if you're in public. Hit the weights. Strength training twice a week can turn you into a muscle machine. Plus, who doesn't want to impress their friends with their ability to lift heavy things? Planks, crunches, and leg raises are your new best friends. Just remember, if you start talking to your abs during workouts, it's a sign you might need a break. Finally, let's chat about lifestyle changes. These steps are like the icing on the cake. Healthy cake, of course. Aim for 9 hours of sleep. Trust me, your belly will thank you, and you'll wake up feeling like a superhero. High stress can make your belly feel like a balloon. Try yoga, meditation, or even just laughing at my jokes. Drink plenty of water. Sometimes our bodies confuse thirst with hunger. So before you reach for that snack, chug some H2O and see if it's just your inner mermaid calling for hydration. And there you have it. The best ways to lose belly fat, wrapped up in laughter and practical steps. Remember, it's not just about losing inches, it's about feeling great. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your funniest belly fat stories in the comments below. Let's keep this journey fun and fabulous. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.